I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. Front stay from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been popping on the low. I just been low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's B here, and thank you guys for tuning in. Guys, we're on Easter break from school, and that means I've not been going to school for like 2 weeks, and baby girl has been chilling. Guys, I just got done shooting a sit down video and I thoroughly enjoyed it. I missed shooting sit down videos. Like, I've just been doing vlogs upon vlogs. All right guys, so I'm going to be doing a vlog as well. This is the beginning of a vlog as well. I'm going to be vlogging my activities this period while I'm on break, Easter break, you know, and all the good stuff in between. So yeah, pretty much that's what this girl has been up to. How you guys doing? How's your Easter holiday? Do you have one? I don't know. Anyways, happy Easter in arrears, and hope everybody's doing well. Talk to you guys later. Hey guys, Chef B in the kitchen. Yeah, so today we're going to be having grilled fish for dinner. So I'm going to be using tilapia fish for this meal. I've already cleaned it, or rather it was cleaned from the market, but I just washed it and did all the necessary things. So I'm going to be showing you guys the process and the final product. So let's get it. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is to put in some spices into this oil. I already have some oil in this pan. So this has infused enough. I've turned off the heat. I'm just going to leave it to cool down a bit while I blend my marinade. So for my marinade, I'm going to be using green peppers, red peppers, cut bonnets. I have onions, I have garlic. I'm going to be adding my seasoning cube and also some salt. Then I'm going to add the infused oil as well. Now I'm going to be adding a bit of our infused oil into this. So next up is a bit of oyster sauce. Just going to be adding a little bit in the mixture. Yeah, that will do. So our marinade is ready, and I'm just going to get the fish ready as well. I'm going to be making some cuts on the fish so that the marinade enters into it properly. So the next thing, I'm going to be putting the marinated fish in a Ziploc bag, and it goes into the fridge for about an hour or two before I grill it. So this is what we have remaining from our infused oil. I'm just going to add some onions and fry down the remaining marinade we have, because we're going to be having the fish with potatoes, so we need like a sauce to go with it. So I'm going to be frying down the remaining marinade.
You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we falling off, baby. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting it. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it would just show me back. But I
welcome back. It's another day, and right now I'm going on the quick grocery run shopping, and of course I'm going to be taking you guys along with me, so let's go. My ride is here and I'm heading out now.
Is that it?
Guys, I'm at the store now. Get some flowers.
So many times that I miss you. I know how to call when I want to. Now you got way bigger issues. You're running around like you single. Slow down, only you the ginger the whole time.
Guys, I came to change my cart. That one is pretty small, so I'm gonna be taking this one.
Down, slow it sometime. Go out, mountain for your back, make it run wild. Slow it sometime. Time to slow down.
This is my previous bag. Just going to I'm going to keep it here so I can return it. Let's get some milk.
Sometimes I need you. I never forget you. I won't
Some
call you
juice.
anyway. Nobody wins cause you won't call me anyway. I won't call you anyway. Nobody wins cause you won't call me anyway.
I just smelled this. This smells good, so I'm going to be getting this.
Stamina, stamina. You gon' need more stamina. Oh, you're at the moment now. Make I know say you cover me now. So many things I could do to you. If only you give me the permission to. Give me the permission to show you the thing I carry.
Alright guys, so I think I'm done. I wasn't able to get some things I wanted to get, but at least I was able to get about 80 to 90% of what I wanted, so I think that's fine. I'm just going to check out a neighborhood store around me to see if I can get the other things much later, but for now let's go check out. So I also want to get to Home Bargains. I need an iron, so I want to check here if they have one. So this is the only one they have. I don't know, I'm not sure if I'm just going to check it out anyways. So I got the iron and some other things. So That's it. Alright guys, so I'm done and it's time to go. All set, everything done. And now I'm just gonna go wait for my ride to get here. I'm trying to look out for my ride. Okay.
Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done biting it. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth
Thank
is
you.
I hide.
Just going to drop this back.
Can't say I love you when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it won't just show me that. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Times I don't want you around. You do.
No dey stop when we pop. Yeah, we have plenty spending. Like it's nothing.
Now hold on guys, trust me when I say I didn't finish this food. My husband didn't allow me to enjoy this food. Look at him, he got takeaways and he made sure he ate my own food with me. Anyways guys, thank you for watching. Till next time, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Bye.